Hi. Here we are again, and today we have a puzzle of a dinosaur to help us learn the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's get started and find number 1. 1. After 1 we have number 2. Let's find number 2 next. 2. After 2 we have number 3. 3. After 3 we have number 4. 4. Good job. Now we should get the next number, that is the 5. 5. After number 5 we have number 6. 6. Let's get number 7 now. 7. 3 pieces left. Next let's pick 8. 8. Next is 9. 9. And finally we have the number 10. 10. All done. It's a Brontosaurus. Let's count the numbers one more time. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Thank you for helping me complete the puzzle. Hope to see you next time. Please subscribe and like the video.